Hello guys, this is Joyce. Fiber laser cutting machine has different power wattage. So you want to choose 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt, or 6 kilowatt, and so on. So how to choose different power wattage of different laser cutting machines? Joyce will talk to you today in details. Everyone knows that fiber laser cutting machine can cut carbon steel, silicon steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, copper, and other metal materials. So the choice of different laser cutting machine power wattage depends on the cutting thickness and cutting materials. Taking carbon steel material, for example, 1000 wattage, the maximum thickness of cutting can be like 10 mm. And for 3000 wattage, the maximum cutting thickness can up to 20 mm. But for the 6000 wattage, the maximum cutting thickness can be reached like 25 mm. So if you want to be like thicker, like for example 10 kilowatt, it can be just up to 40 mm. So if you want to be the thicker, but the price of the laser cutting machines will be higher. However, in the process of practical application, the cutting performance or cutting ability of fiber laser cutting machine is not only related to the power, but also like other elements. For example, the laser source type, the quality of the fiber laser cutting machine, like the cutting environment, and also the assist gas. For example, for carbon steel material, the assist gas can be oxygen, but for stainless steel material, and the nitrogen will be better. And also, for the better performance of cutting stainless steel material, it will be like the power is larger, the better. Okay, that's pretty much about the choice of different power wattage of different laser cutting machines. Joyce has compiled a table of cutting parameter of different powers of laser cutting machines. So if you do have any other questions, you can just leave your questions in the comment section. And don't forget to follow us. Joyce will share more laser cutting knowledge with you in my next video.